Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison Dor Network, with me, Dior Shaari. I just somebody bought and gave it to me. I'm gonna share it with you. This one also a new, a good product, and it's very cheap. 160 cents. Before we look into the unboxing the product, let's go into the product, some of the pictures and also details. Okay, look at this. Okay, so there are some of the pictures. Okay, look at it, price 163. So some of the design that they have. So I bought only three. The one I have is three. There's three. Okay, this moment. Okay, like that. Okay, some of the design. Okay, now the price is 160. Normal price is 10 ringgit 80 cents, 89 cents. And then look at the this one, description. Okay. Now let's unboxing. Okay, so there's three design. Right there. There's three design that I have. This one first, second, this. Which one? If like this, actually you can cut out. You cut and then you can use one and one only. Can this one also cut out. Okay, and also this is very nice. A dragon. Okay. He bought some. So okay, how you doing it? Example. Let me put it here. Okay. All right. So this is very simple. The other they have some written things at the back, and there's some sticker. You have to remove all the sticker or anything behind, and then only it will work. So what you do is, you see this, all right, and then here, okay, nothing behind. So there's a plastic. Your oven is plastic. Okay, take out and then put it in water, same water. Make it very wet, You make sure every part is very wet. Then you stick on skin. Okay, not so it's big, not here, like on your body. Stick on skin. Let it stay for let's say 10 seconds or 15 seconds, like that, and then make sure you tap. Let's say this is your skin, right? You put here and then put like this, and you tap, and then leave it for 10 seconds, and then you slide to know whether it's good or not. You just take out a bit and you slide, or you can take out like that, or you can slide like that. All right, it will be good. So I tried before. So this is like a temporary tattoo, and it can stay like about 3 days after your shower. I will be a bit lesser until the 3 days. Okay. All right. Thank you very much for watching. This is DIORSHAARI, sign out from Maison Dor Network YouTube. Don't forget to comment or share or like of this video, and anything you just let me know. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.